Hi folks, I'm Marty Martin and I'm glad you could join us this week for this tutorial of Freight Train. Freight train, going so fast. Freight train, going so fast. Please don't tell what train I'm on, so they won't know where I've gone. Freight train, coming round the bend. Freight train, gone again. One of these days, turn that train around, go back to my hometown. One more place I'd like to be. One more place I'd love to see. To watch those old Blue Ridge Mountains climb when I ride old number 9. Freight train, going so fast. Freight train, going so fast. Please don't tell what train I'm on, so they won't know where I've gone. When I die, please bury me deep down at the end of Chestnut Street, so I can hear old number 9 as she goes rolling by. Freight train, going so fast. Freight train, going so fast. Please don't tell what train I'm on, so they won't know where I've gone. So that was the first part, played through at a pretty quick pace. And then now we're going to have a look at just the chords used and the strum pattern that I use in this song. So starting on your F chord, so we got your bass down, up, down, 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 bass down, up, down. And if I put that to the chords, it'll sound like this. Freight train, change to your C, going so fast. And then C7, freight train, back to the F, going so fast. A7, please don't tell what. And then B flat, train I'm on. And that's a B flat major 7 I'm playing. And you could play it as a normal B flat, but a lot of people would struggle with the bar. So what I do is I just don't use a bar at all, but just have the finger up, keep that first string playing open, and then go into your B flat as normal. So technically it's a B flat major 7, but we just call it B flat for the purpose of this song. So you go into that chord, back to your F, and then C7, and then F. Okay, so we'll play that through one more time. Freight train, going so fast. Freight train, going so fast. Please don't tell what train I'm on, so they won't know where I've gone. So that's it. Just keep that basic strum pattern going throughout this whole song, and that's all that's needed. There is an instrumental part, so you just use those chords of one of the verses to play over that instrumental verse. So that was the song played through the chords of it and how to strum it. Now I'm going to look at chord melody, how to target the melody around the song. Okay, so the way I would play that would be like this. If I was using a pick, for example, it'd be so what I did there was I played the F chord and put my wee finger on with a third fret, first string, and then take the finger off, okay, and then I put it on the second string, strum it down to the second string, and then take the finger off and strum it again. So one more time. Okay, and then, okay, I'll do it one more time. Back to the C. And then I'm playing the second string there in the third fret. Okay. Take it from the start again, okay? And that's your C7 chord. Back to the C. C7, open. And then second string, okay, and then back to your F, and then finger on where you put the C chord, and then now go into the A7 chord, and then I put my first or second finger in the first string, first fret. Okay, so from the beginning again. A7, B flat, and then F, and then this is another type of C7 chord. That's your normal one, but you can do it in here as well. You've got your C, and then you can target that note, and that'll give you like a bassier C7, and then back to your F again. So one more time. Hopefully that will get you through that okay. So keep on practicing that, keep practicing those little cycle or circle of chords until you get really confident with it, and then go back to part one and play it a wee bit quicker with myself, and hopefully it'll do you. And until next week, remember, keep her lit and keep on strumming.